Hello to all my subscribers out there. Welcome to my channel. My name is Fame Ebong, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make powder detergent at home. I'll be showing you how to do this with just four chemicals. Like I said before, yes, just four chemicals. So it's going to be very easy and very neat. So now that the first one I showed you was my soda ash. That was a chemical. Then this other chemical is the STPP. Then this one is called the SLS. And the last one I'll be showing you is the caustic soda. So now in this video, in this procedure, I'm making use of three cleaning agents and one foaming agent. My cleaning agents are the soda ash, STPP, and caustic soda. Then my foaming agent is my SLS. So I want my detergent to clean vessels and also foam or leather. Then this is my fragrance. I want my detergent to have a nice smell. So I want it to smell like other detergent. So I'm going to add the fragrance in this production. Then this is my SLS. This SLS is looking too big. Since I'm making something that is in powder form, I'm going to blend this SLS. I'll blend this so that it will look like powder since I'm making a powder detergent. So in doing this, you have to make sure that you are wearing your nose masks because SLS has a choking smell and it chokes more when you blend it. So make sure you're wearing a nose mask and you are in a well ventilated room or area because when you blend this thing, it has a choking smell. So I'm going to blend my SLS using my blender. I want it to look like powder. I don't want it to have a big structure. I want it to look like powder. Remember, we are making what? Powder detergent. So I'm going to blend this until it becomes like powder. That's my SLS. Don't forget, I said that detergent, this my detergent is actually composed of two agents, which is the foaming agent and the cleaning agent. My foaming agent is the SLS, while my cleaning agents are the caustic soda, the soda ash, and my STPP. Those are my cleaning agents. So you can see how it looks like powder now. This is how I want my SLS to look like because we are making what? A powder detergent. So I want my SLS to also have a powdery feel. So you are going to start mixing these chemicals together to produce a good detergent. This detergent production, this one is very simple and easy because you're using just four chemicals. Also, don't forget to check the description of this video for the link where you can join my online classes where I teach people how to produce soap, the body cream, the organic soap, liquid soap, shampoo, hair conditioner. You will learn a lot of things there. You will learn how to make the detergent. There's a lot of things you actually benefit from my online class. Then also, my ebook on soap making and other skincare production is available. Check the description of this video for the link where you can click on. Once you click on the link, it will take you to a website where you can purchase the ebook. The ebook is very rich. You will benefit a lot. And also, at the description of this video, you will see a link where you can join the online class. You just click on the link, it will take you to WhatsApp where you can join the online class. So the next thing I want to do now is to test this detergent. We want to see how it lathers. We want to see if it behaves like other detergent. So we're going to test it. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media. I'm on TikTok and I have a Facebook page. The Facebook page is called Famous Skincare. Then my TikTok handle name is called The Famous Guy. So just follow me on social media. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share this video, and see you next time on our next video we'll be making. Thank you for always watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.